Hi, my name is Dan Dow. I'll be your instructor for your Computer Science 1436 class, Program Fundamentals 1 with it. This is for the spring 2017 course with it, 16 weeks course with it. What I need for you to do is to log on to eCampus if you haven't done so, and you can use eCampus. There's two browsers for all of our eCampus shell to be supported, Internet Explorer and Firefox. Those are the only two browsers that we use for this course. No Chrome. If you're having Safari for a Mac, you can, but I'll tell you why. You're going to need a PC for this class with it. So log on to eCampus and go to your course and find your course, Computer Science 1436, with it, and section number is 83401 for the semester, and click on the syllabi and course calendar for spring 2017 with it. And here's the syllabi that I have already uploaded for this course is here, and this one is for the course calendar with it. So let me walk you through the course syllabi for this right now. Here's the course syllabi for this. Here's what I'd like for you to do. If you could please follow along with me. A lot of the stuff here is self-explanatory with it, but I do want to point at some key things that you need to be aware of for this course with it. One of the things is that this course, again, best time email is also, you can contact me with email with it. You can also call me, set up an appointment, come see me with it. These are my office hours with it. This is I do teach a face-to-face class, same course, face-to-face class with it. So anytime you have any questions, they parallel with one another with it. Again, this is an online class that you are enrolled for. You are not required mandatory to come to campus at all for this class with it. I'll let you read through the student learning outcome and all the stuff with it. I do want to point out some key things that you will need for this class. You will need at least a Windows 7 operating system for this class. It's a PC class. I'm sorry that if you have a Mac or Ubuntu operating system, it's not going to cut it. So because for the purpose that we're going to be using the Visual Studio C++ compiler for this course, all right, which is free. I'll show you in the first lab where to download and how to set it up, and you're going to do the Hello World program with it. You do need some sort of storage device or some sort of cloud storage. I don't care how you want to do this thing, but you do need some sort of storage for this device. If you're planning to use our campus Open Lab computer in Del Rio or any labs on campus, it will ask you for ID when you come in. Now, the other stuff is for the on-campus stuff with it. Just to let you know, we're going to be using 2015 Visual Studio, not 2013. All right, so this is an older one. You also need to have either copies of this book. You need a book for this class. I can tell you that. I can't stress enough the importance of the book. Our labs, homework, everything comes from this book. So either one of these titles will be okay. I went down to the bookstore. I found there's a whole bunch of used textbooks, 7th edition. You need the 7th edition for this course. All right, you need the 7th edition for this course with it. Get your hand on it as soon as possible. As chapter 1 is assigned reading today already with it. Look at the calendar with it as well. Look at the grade point breakdown for you. It should be really self-explanatory with it. But you know, one of the things that I do have, I'm really anal about, very harsh, and I'm going to adhere to it. And you probably read me on the in the past with it. Makeup only with medical documentation. I have about 80 students this semester. It is very chaotic. If I start to accept late work from everybody, I can't keep up with everybody with late work with it. Only with medical documentation. So if there are things that out of their, you know, I need medical documentation, why you missed the exam, why you missed the lab, why you missed the homework, why all this stuff with it, or else it would be a nightmare for me to keep up with it as well. So please please get the work in before the due date. Now I want to tell you this: most of all the due dates that you see on the calendar that you see that's going to be due at midnight, which means what? 11:59 p.m. After that, it shuts off. The link disappears. So if you have like, I'll make this up. If you have like 500 gigabytes of software of code, and you need to upload, I will not wait until the last minute to upload at 10:57 or 10:55 or 10:58 to upload. It's going to take a while for you to upload with it, and it's going to shut off, and you're going to be sending an email to me after midnight, begging for me to actually open up that link. It doesn't happen like that. So plan ahead. Give yourself plenty of time to upload your stuff with it. All right. Some key things: last day withdraw from this class. W is the 12th, April the 12th. There's a link to the academic calendar with it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll be glad to answer all your questions with it as well. Okay. So this is the course calendar. I also want to talk to you about the calendar for this first day online section. That's us, the 17 today. So it parallels with my Monday, Wednesday class. Look up here. Online class, you participate in discussion board. Okay, so everything on here applies for the face-to-face class plus the discussion board for online section. All right, so if you go through this thing, look, I'm already assigning the reading for chapter 1. I'm going to open up the shell. This first discussion board is due on the 27th at midnight, the 29th, the 27th at 11:59. Okay, so make sure you complete that. It's an easy attendance grade with it as well. So please adhere to this. I will send out this video as soon as possible with the same. Thanks.